crunch that we have right now that's good enough to make Rita's water ice, which is free right down the street and in many locations for the first day of spring. This is the best part about having snow across the area. So you can see we're having some fun out here in Baltimore County. Yeah, this signature shows these winds gusting upwards of 60, maybe even 70 miles per hour at best as the storm continues. Tornado warning is going to go. This is a problem. We have some hail that's most likely falling out of this storm. It's probably pea-sized hail that we're seeing at the moment, and you can kind of see that cycling effect just right around the Caitlin Acres area, just north of Westminster. This is going to come up towards Brummels.
Whoa!
Look at that. It's like a punching bag. So this shows you how cold it really is outside. We left this outside for 15 minutes until 3:45. Some of the cities here, as Marcus is pulling them up for me, in Simpsonville at 3:34, Oakland Mills at 3:36, and Pfeiffer's Corner at 3:41 p.m. Clarksville right now, you're starting to see some of that wind. And a beautiful exhibit. This is the 10th year, of course, and a lot of color goes into this. Can you talk a little bit about the process of adding that color to the ice? Yeah. We'll get the cold, but that battle line, where does it set up? We'll have to keep you posted. This will be the key concern, a flash freeze when you get wind chill factors running 15 to 20 degrees below zero on Monday, with air temperature. A couple of the jockeys there heading up the steps, but we're setting the stage with beautiful weather today, and guess what? It's actually going to be dry tomorrow. Still some great color in and around the city. If you step out and about, you got the yellow going on the poplar trees, as well as some of the oranges and reds on the oak trees. Oh, we can volley now.
Oh, yeah, there you go, here you go, there you go. Come on, little touch pass.
With the dew point factor at 74, I deserve that because it's still hot and humid out there and I can't get rid of it just yet. Have your shades on today?
I did.
Windows down, radio up?
Yes.
Windows down, radio up. All right, so
oh man, come on, that was great. Come on, look at, oh, here we go.
WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
A beautiful weekend translated to a much hotter and humid day out there across much of central Maryland. High temperatures 93 at the Inner Harbor, 88 at Middle River, 93 in Westminster, 90 today up there at Thurmont and Camp David, 93 at the airport. But we started at 60, some locations in the upper 50s this morning. So we started with comfort and then we brought on the heat and the humidity. We'll knock it down a couple of notches as we get towards tomorrow, and that's thanks to some cloud cover along with those showers and storms. Upper 70s to around 80 degrees right now. Fuel to the fire, as we should say here, with the severe weather threat coming in. You need heat and humidity to get those storms going, and we're seeing that already at this point, and that's because of the cloud cover that is popping into the air. And also a couple showers and sprinkles now breaking out across portions of Garrett County out towards Deep Creek and Friendsville, moving along portions of 68 at this hour. The bigger concern, though, right now, a tornado watch across portions of Illinois and Indiana, and the trajectory of these storms puts it down across portions of West Virginia as we get towards the early morning hours, at least looking at the current radar trends, especially with this top half of shower activity working into the region as we speak. So severe weather overnight tonight out towards our west across the Ohio River Valley, but by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, it will be on our doorstep, especially starting up around 2 o'clock. Widespread area of orange here on a scale of 1 to 5, running about a 3. So that's a high probability that we'll see severe weather because all of the ingredients are available. But limiting factors could be out there. The cloud cover in the morning, along with a couple of showers that will likely develop. More of the activity, though, will start up around 2 o'clock. And notice the placement of this. It's south of the city of Baltimore, those showers and thunderstorms. Yes, 1 or 2 could reach severe limits north of the city, but right now the highest pegging, at least according to the models, looks to be south of Baltimore, down across portions of southern Maryland with the severe weather concerns. Most of that will wane overnight and then will refire again on Wednesday. A little less severity there, but still looking at some strong thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday afternoon as the front will still be within the area. So an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but the best bet for storms points south between 2 and 8 o'clock. High winds, some localized flooding, along with some large hail as those storms roll on through. Overnight tonight, really not dropping off too much, mostly cloudy skies turning humid. Storms to the west tomorrow morning, a couple of showers in the vicinity of the metro. Severe storms build in during the afternoon between 2 and 8 o'clock. Have a way to get those watches and warnings. High temps topping out in the mid to upper 80s. Your 7-day forecast shows the temperatures are pretty much right around that mid-80 mark Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with the threat of storms. We dry it out by Friday and Saturday, then a couple more storms back to 90 degrees as we get towards the beginning of next week.
All right, so keep it right here tomorrow.
Keep it there. Download the free mobile app. That'll get you through.
All right, be prepared. All right, get prepared for this.